Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of August 6th, 2021. Here are some upcoming events. Our in-person Meet the Teacher will take place on Monday, August 9th. Grades K and Grades 5 will be 12 o'clock until 12:45. Grades 1 and Grade 4 will be 1 o'clock to 1:45. Grades 2 and 3 will be 2 o'clock to 2:45. Grades 6 and 8 is 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. Grades 9 and 12, 2:30 to 3:30. Please bring the school supplies to Meet the Teacher. During Meet the Teacher, Safety Patrol will be holding their first fundraiser of the year. We will be selling Kona Ice between 11:45 and 3 o'clock outside the front of the elementary school. Please support our patrol so they can go to Washington, D.C. and buy some delicious, refreshing ice. The first day of school will be on Tuesday, August 10th. Breakfast at the elementary school begins at 7:30 a.m. and class starts at 8:05. Car line dismissal begins at 2:30 p.m. Remember to have the car signs in your windshield or you will be asked to show your driver's license. Please remain in your vehicle at all times and follow traffic patterns and directions. It is very important to remember these rules. No parents or visitors are allowed in the building during arrival and dismissal for the safety of our students. Please avoid entering the building between 7:30 a.m. and 8:30 a.m. and 1:30 p.m. and 3 p.m. That's for the elementary school. Breakfast at the secondary campus is at 8:30 a.m. and class starts at 8:50. Car line dismissal is at 3:35. Please be patient during the first week of school at dismissal while we work out the kinks. Kindergarten will have a staggered start during the first 3 days of school. Kindergarten and first grade parents can walk their child to their classroom on the child's first day between 9 o'clock and 9:30 a.m. Please mark your calendars for Curriculum Night. On Curriculum Night, teachers will inform families about all the great things students will be learning about this school year. Curriculum Night will be August 19th, 2021. At the elementary school, grades K and 5 will be at 4:30 p.m. Grades 1 and Grade 4, 5:10 p.m. Grades 2 and 3, 5:45 p.m. At the middle school, it'll be at 5:30 to 6:15. At the high school, 6:15 to 7 o'clock. Please fill out the free and reduced lunch application if you haven't already done so. Every parent should fill out an application whether you think your family qualifies or not. The school receives additional funding based upon these forms to provide supplemental staff and educational materials. In addition, your student can qualify for free summer camp, free eye exams and glasses, free SATs and other exams, and other important services, so it's very important. The link to the form can be found on our website, palmbeachmaritimeacademy.org. It's under the Parents tab, then click on Forms and Links, scroll down to Food Service. The link to breakfast and lunch menus is there, and is also the link to sign up for School Cash Online. There you can add money to your students' account so they can purchase chips and ice cream on certain days. Remember, uniforms can be ordered from our website. Please go to the Parents tab where you'll find a uniform sub-menu. The office is calling families to pick up the uniforms as soon as they are available. Questions about uniforms can be directed to Miss Sullivan. Her email is ksullivan, SULLIVAN, @pbmalantana.org. If your uniform shirts don't arrive by the first day of school, please have your student wear a solid colored shirt with the uniform bottoms. If you have outgrown uniform tops or bottoms, please donate them to either school office. We have families that could really use them. Thank you. As they say in Disney World, please excuse our pixie dust. We have ordered lots of new furniture and materials for the new school year, but unfortunately many things are back ordered. In addition, the paint we ordered to touch up the classrooms has not arrived yet. We are hoping we will have both campuses looking great shortly. Here are 10 things to remember to make back to school smooth sailing at PBMA. 1. Bring school supplies to meet the teacher. 2. Watch the arrival and dismissal videos if your student is a car rider. 3. Let your teacher know how your student will be going home if your student is in the elementary school. 4. Make sure all aftercare, bus, and health paperwork has been turned in. 5. Fill out those lunch forms. 6. Bring a water bottle each day. 7. Please correct your email, phone number, or address with the office if there have been any changes. 8. Be on time. 9. Be respectful, responsible, and ready to learn. 10. Feel free to email me if you have any questions at scooper@pbmalantana.org. And here's a message from our administrators.
Families, I'm so excited to welcome you back to the 2021-2022 school year. We're hoping this school year will be a much more normal one. Please pay close attention to Mrs. Cooper's videos, Jupiter Ed messages. She will be dispersing tons and tons of very important information. I can't wait to see everybody on Tuesday for our first day back. Next week's video, you will be introduced to a lot more important staff who are also just as excited to begin the school year. See you guys very soon.
Welcome, PBMA students and families. This is Ms. Murphy, the principal at the secondary campus. On Monday, we will hold the Meet the Teacher from 1 to 3:30 in the cafeteria at the secondary campus. Before that, though, we would like to introduce you to a couple of our new people at the school, our guidance counselors. We know that many of you are unable to come to campus, so we're going to begin a new weekly feature. We're going to feature teachers every week so that you know who our teachers are on campus and you feel comfortable when you come here to meet with them.
Hello, I'm Ms. Simmons. I am a graduate from PBA University. I am the new middle school counselor and 504 coordinator for the secondary school. If you have any questions, you can email me at msimmons@pbmalantana.org.
Hi, I'm Ms. Tomasetti. I'm going to be your high school guidance counselor this year. A little bit about me. I'm a graduate from Florida A&M University. That's where I got a master's degree in counselor education. I also got a master's degree from Lynn University in an MBA in marketing. I look forward to working with you this year. Should you need to reach out to me at any time, please email me at mtomasetti, TOMASSETTI @pbmalantana.org for any questions or anything that you want to discuss, and we'll make an appointment. I'm also the contact for early admission and dual enrollment. Should you have any questions or concerns about that, feel free to see me. I'm here to help you in any way that I can. Looking forward to working with you.
Here's Mr. Andropont.
Hey guys, Mr. Andropont here. Welcome back to school. I'm here to tell you about a fundraiser that we're having for the secondary campus science lab. It's this nice t-shirt right here that advertises our second consecutive year of winning Best of the Best in Palm Beach County. This t-shirt will sell for $15. You can get it on our website, and it has no collar and you can wear it to school any day. So talk to your people, get one of these shirts. I hope to see everyone in one so we can build that science lab. Look forward to seeing you soon.
Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.